Welcome to today's episode. Let's kick things off with a question you might not think about often. Why is the sky blue?
Simple, right?
But here's the thing. That one question can spark a cascade of curiosity, exploration, and understanding. And that's what we're talking about today. The art of asking the right questions and how it can transform your learning, problem solving, and even your life. We're also going to dive into how AI fits into this picture, how it learns from you and you learn from it. So stick around, because this episode is packed with tips, examples, and a little inspiration to help you refine, summarize, and analyze your way to better answers.
Let's face it, asking questions is underrated. Yet, it's the foundation of everything we know and learn. The right question at the right time can spark a breakthrough or even change your life. Think about a child asking, "Why is the sky blue?" It's not just about the answer. It's about what that question represents: curiosity and the first step toward discovery. As adults, though, we sometimes stop asking questions or we don't ask the right ones. Here's the secret. The quality of the answers you get depends on the quality of the questions you ask. Want better answers? Start asking better questions. Now here's where it gets real. Imagine stepping into a boxing ring for the very first time. You're not going to be a champion on day one. You'll get knocked down, make mistakes, and have to train, refine your punches, and analyze your opponents. Learning to ask great questions works the same way. You won't always get it right the first time. You might ask something vague or broad and get a generic answer. That's okay. It's part of the process. Each attempt is like a training round. You refine, summarize, and analyze until you land that knockout question that gives you the clarity you're looking for.
Speaking of refining, let's dig into how it works. Say you ask, how can I improve my life? It's a decent question, but it's way too broad. Refine it. Break it down. Ask something like, what's one habit I can start today to feel more energetic in the morning? The same applies when working with AI. AI is like your sparring partner. It needs data to work with, and the better your input, the better its output. For example, instead of asking an AI, how can I succeed at work? Try, what strategies can I use to improve my project management skills and meet deadlines? It's a two-way street. You teach the AI by giving it better data, and in return, it helps you refine your thinking. Together, you learn and grow.
Let's take this concept into the real world. Whether it's a work project, a personal goal, or even a relationship, refining your questions can unlock new opportunities. Imagine you're leading a team at work and struggling with collaboration. Instead of asking, why isn't my team working well together? Refine it. What tools or processes can I introduce to improve communication and teamwork on remote projects? Now you have a question that's focused, actionable, and likely to lead to real solutions. Or let's say you're learning something new, like a language or coding. Don't just ask, what's the best way to learn? Instead, get specific. How can I use spaced repetition techniques to memorize vocabulary faster? When you refine and analyze your approach, the results speak for themselves.
Here's where AI becomes a game changer. AI isn't just a tool, it's like a sparring partner in your learning journey. It learns with you and from you. It thrives on clear, specific input. The more you refine your questions, the smarter your AI becomes, and the better it gets at helping you. Think of it as a cycle. You refine the question. The AI gives you a clearer answer. You analyze the response, and together, you uncover solutions that might have taken you days or weeks to figure out on your own. Some keywords to keep in mind when working with AI: refine, summarize, analyze,
Repeat.
these are your cornerstones for making the most of the process.
If there's one thing I want you to take away, it's this: asking great questions isn't just a skill, it's a mindset. It's about curiosity, persistence, and the willingness to learn from every attempt, every mistake, and every answer, even when it's not what you expected. You don't become a champion by throwing one punch. You don't solve a problem with one question. It's about showing up, refining your approach, and learning every step of the way. Now, it's your turn. Think about one challenge you're facing right now. What's the question you've been asking? Take a moment to refine it. Break it down, make it specific and actionable. Then see how your answers start to change. If you need more help or want personalized guidance, reach out to me through my website, strategici.ca. I'd love to help you refine your approach, whether it's working with AI or tackling life's challenges. And if you found value in today's episode, press that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who could use it. Your support means the world to me, and it helps keep this journey going. Thank you for watching, for being curious, and for taking the time to invest in yourself. Remember, every great answer starts with a great question. See you in the next episode, where we'll explore how to use AI effectively to make better decisions and spark creativity. Until then, stay inspired, keep learning, and embrace growth every step of the way.